Are you looking for the best road bikes under 500? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are short, best road bikes under 500, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Avasta Uranus 700C Road Hybrid. Experience Avasta Uranus 700C Road Hybrid Bike. Lightweight aluminum alloy frame with 24-speed gearing for city commuting. Rear cargo rack. Aluminum frame. The Avasta Uranus City Bike Series adopts lightweight aluminum frames, which not only ensures the structural strength of the bike, but also brings great convenience to urban commuting. The Uranus series comes in 2 sizes of frames, 44 centimeters and 50 centimeters. Shimano 24 Speed. The specially tuned Shimano shifter and rear derailleur can provide up to 24 levels of speed regulation. In daily urban cycling, it is possible to cope with various road conditions, including climbing uphill and riding downhill, by easily and smoothly shifting gears.
Product number 2. Highland 26-27-inch mountain bike. Experience the Highland 26-27-inch mountain bike. Robust frame for adults. The high-carbon steel frame ensures durability for adult mountain bikes, featuring a reinforced front suspension fork for optimal bump absorption, providing absolute control. Versatile 18-speed drivetrain. Equipped with an 18-speed drivetrain, adult bikes offer a variety of speed options for a flexible riding experience. Easily adjust the gears to suit your preference.
Product number 3. Exercise Bike Experience Exercise Bike. Upgraded exercise bike and reliable brand. After years of research, Winokur released this upgraded exercise bike. It has thicker, heavy-duty aluminum steel construction and updated 7-shaped front handlebar post knob, which makes sure the bike sits firmly on the floor so it won't rock or wobble while you ride. Sleek black and red styling will look chic in your home or workout space. More stable, quiet, and smooth. Unlike the deceptive bikes online that are with a noisy iron sand flywheel, this indoor bike inertia-enhanced flywheel maintains a quiet, smooth motion. Without the problem of a belt pulley breaking, a belt falling off, belt debris falling, or the loud noise of the old version's felt pad brake, the Winokur exercise bike uses ABS material belt pulley, industrial-grade bearings, and upgraded felt pad brake, making the bike more reliable and more suitable for shared spaces.
Product number 4. Ravemen FR500 Bike Front Light. Experience Ravemen FR500 Bike Front Light for night daytime riding. Urban Night Riding Light. Equipped with 2 high-brightness LEDs providing up to 500 lumens of solid mode, FR500 Bike Light offers a stable source for road cycling, daily commuting, and city rides. It supports lighting while charging, meeting your riding needs from dawn to night. Daytime flashing for visibility. Features 6 lighting modes with 3 flashing options for daytime safety, reaching up to 500 lumens with a wide 270-degree viewing angle. The LED bicycle light keeps you visible to vehicles and pedestrians from the front and sides, with high lumen penetration helping you get noticed under any sunlight.
Product number 5. Zizzo Via 20-inch Folding Bike. Experience Zizzo Via 20-inch folding bike, lightweight aluminum frame, genuine Shimano 7-speed 26 pounds, lightweight aluminum frame, folds in seconds and is easy to carry so you never need to leave it outside. Genuine Shimano components with 7 speeds and grip-style shifter. Lightweight aluminum frame, folds in seconds and is easy to carry so you never need to leave it outside. Genuine Shimano components with 7 speeds and grip-style shifter. Easy single folding aluminum alloy stem.